Na mo wu na mo de mo wu abroche na mo de mo makọ Africa no. Se omo kona se omo babaka, omo ye the same ana. Challenge is you because me dear me aka some story. Me de me back Ghana 2022 and no 8 years and oba no 11 years. Chale akra no buy no. First of all, why krasini and your fufu no. Secondly, I say onim kasa ne kasa kasa no words na ifri ne no mobano enkoyi. So I'm just wondering like how is it baby or koye no ana say that is how it is because especially if wayani demufi now say you are telling her say come on tidy your room or something you say it politely the moment you ube one say like me to me you know na me share no ebia oh she's not aware that I'm looking at her but then ube una oto I said ni tina wa bon kra no wa ye na no like che say obie na no kasa respect bia nim like ade bia nko yi I say I'm starting from scratch. I said me no me ho. I said dia as I've wasted my time. My waste here crown so time because none any washing as wording all right but as I go by and dear in fact I hear worse than that. Into mo wuna mo de mo mako Africa no sa no mo ya na and I say it is mimi situation na it is hey me bro in fact like and your man ko ye cry and your man ko ye ba ku say hey wakasa tidy room hey boy mon chire me why na I say enko ye sa